6:35, 7:30 and 8:29. That thing was always on time, cutting right through the dawn, as sharp as a knife. I could feel that cold metal grind, like the tracks were right outside, etched in my front lawn. The neighbor said it's nothing but the train's leaving the junction. Just you wait a couple months and it'll fade away. 'Cause time changes everything, and hang some pictures up and make habit out of taking the same way to a grocery store, and learn the turns and time the lights, the town you didn't recognize becomes a little more like home. And you'll know when you're used to the license plates, and you got a couple friends next door. You wake up, realize one day that you don't hear the train anymore. Well, I couldn't sleep, stayed up a couple nights a week, thinking how much better I'd be if I could ride the freight line out of there. The address still didn't seem right, the space inside didn't feel like the place I could rest my head. Swear that bed wouldn't fit anywhere. But time changes everything. You hang some pictures up and make habit out of taking the same way to a grocery store. Learn the turns and time the lights, the town you didn't recognize become a little more like home. And you'll know when you're used to the license plate, and you got a couple friends next door. Wake up, realize one day you don't hear the train anymore. No more, you don't hear the train anymore. Anymore. And then it seems like part of the charm becomes ordinary. We kinda miss it if it stopped, and then you're sure that every little thing you didn't like's still around. But it's better now, 'cause time changes everything. Hang some pictures up and make habit out of taking the same way to a grocery store, and learn to turn the time the lights, the town you didn't recognize becomes a little more like home. And you'll know when you're used to the license plates, and you got a couple friends next door. Wake up, realize one day you don't hear the train anymore. No, you don't hear the train anymore.